ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
National President jong National People's Party Conrad Congress sangma ulong baka Jingkynthoh jong Menteri Rangba ka jalna Assam ha karensan yalap election ha ka jalna Manipur dangshen da ka baong baka National People's Party kamdondor AA ka day tang kanya yalap election. Haga jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor Conrad sangma ulong haga por election kin mi bet kum gini ki Jingkynthoh ka way ka party ya ka way pat Henry andala kot ki election baro ki Jingkynthoh ki kelalut da kum way.
See, this is election campaign, so everybody will give their speeches. If you listen to our speeches also, we also have spoken in favor of our party, and that's how we go in election, and that's the view that Mr. Himanta has given as a BJP leader. So that's his opinion, but I have always maintained that whatever the situation will be only clear once the election results are out. So we'll wait for the election results and let's see. Similar situation was there even before the 2017 election results, and in those situations also similar statements were made in different corners of the state in that election by different political parties. But when the results came out, then the situation was different. So let us wait and see. Speeches are things that we all give, and we will always speak in favor of our political parties and try to push our party forward. That's the nature of of how we are for when it comes to our own political parties. So Mr. Himanta has said it as a BJP leader, and that's his view. But as I said, once the results come out, we will decide on how to move forward. As I said, that we can't say anything right now because the results are not out yet. We are fighting the election. You have to remember that there are two parts to this whole process. First is fighting the election. When you fight the election, we fight on our own ideology and to ensure that we get as many seats as possible. And if God willing, if the people of the state support us, then we get higher numbers, and then accordingly, if we don't get full majority, then based on situation, we have to work towards government formation. So those situations will only be clear once the results come out.